then you've got your product.
Right. So the protein powder is important. It's the secret ingredient. After age 30, you lose 1% of muscle per year. In order to build that muscle back up, you need that protein. And it will keep you full, you'll lose the fat, and retain that muscle mass so that you can rev up your metabolism.
When I first heard of your concept, I was startled. That's why I wanted to present it to everyone today, because I didn't realize how much medical research has been done behind this.
That's right.
It's the fundamental work that has changed the way doctors think about dieting. If you can preserve the protein, you can avoid the yo-yo dieting, all the failures that happen when you try to go on a rapid weight loss program. Let me show you what Carol's team and others have now been able to prove. This is why it's so important to preserve lean muscle mass. This is your body, basically. The flame is your metabolism. It's out there. It's burning through stuff like it's supposed to, including the fat. This paper, by the way, represents the fat. That's why I wrote fat on it. This knob down here is muscle. But Dr. Povian just pointed out that we lose about 1% of our muscle per year. So as we get older, we have less and less muscle in our body. But that means your metabolism is going to be relatively low. So low you can't burn away the fat. So what we're talking about today, in this first day of the cleanse, to really bust through the first couple pounds, is to add sources of protein. You mentioned whey, casein. You add the protein into your body. As you do that, the muscle begins to generate itself. As it gets larger and larger, you turn the muscle contribution up. The flame gets bigger, the metabolism burns, and the fat catches fire. And as that happens, we burn through all that calories. That's what we're talking about. All right. Now, let's get through the rest of the days, because you finished the first day, you're feeling good about yourself.